Okay, sorry, for the life of us, we cannot get our iPads to work. So I am on my cell phone, so I don't know about the quality of this. But this is part B from number 1. After using a portion of the nectar she gathered to create homemade perfume, Samantha found, Samantha found she only had 5/8 ounces of nectar left. How much nectar did Samantha use for creating her perfume? So that's our question. How much nectar did Samantha use for creating her perfume? We're going to simplify our answer if necessary. Now here it does want you to support your answer in many ways with a diagram, numbers, and words. You're going to have to be the teacher and teach it to people who like pictures, who like words, and who like numbers. All right. So after using a portion of what she gathered, so this is a continuation of part 1. We already found out how much she gathered. We know that she gathered 1 7/8 ounces, or that's also known as 15/8 as an improper fraction. So that's how much she gathered. So that's how much she started with here. And then she made some perfume, and we don't know how much she used. That's what we're trying to figure out. But when she was done, she had 5/8 left over. So let's go over here. I'm going to draw a picture. 15/8. Let me draw that. So it's going to be broken into 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But we're going to have more than a whole because it's 1 7/8. So let's draw another 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know this whole one is going to be colored in, plus 7 of this one. Okay, so we have this, but we have to subtract what she had left over to find out how much she used. So she found she had 5/8 left. So let's draw that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have our 8s there, and we have to color in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Okay, so now we have 15/8 minus 5/8. Okay, that's easy. We have 8s here, so we can do it. 15 minus 5 is 10, or 10/8. And I can represent that in here by knowing that I have to cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these over here. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. If you can see that, I know this isn't the most clear picture. So let's count how many we have left. We have 8, 9, 10. I know that's a super unclear picture. Yours can be way more clear. So our picture also represents that the answer is 10/8. But we need to write it in words, and we need to simplify it if possible. 10/8, improper fraction there, so we've got to turn it into a mixed number. So let's take away a whole, which would be 8 out of our 8. That would leave us with a whole, and 10 minus 8 is 2. So 1 whole and 2 8s. So let's write our sentence. I'm out of room, so I'm just going to tell you what it should say. It should say, Samantha used 1 2/8 ounces on making perfume. Samantha used 1 2/8 ounces making perfume. But, you know what, before you even write that sentence, I just noticed, look, 2 8s, we can reduce that even more. 8's divisible by 2, I noticed, so let's divide them both by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So it's the same as 1 1/4 ounces, actually. That should be your answer. Make sure you write in a complete sentence.